Family Day is probably one of the most exciting times for both our students and their families. It's an opportunity for the families to also see not only the leadership of the School of Medicine, but also to see the various aspects of the curriculum. The families were able to basically go through all of our clinical skills center, our simulation center. They had the opportunity to interact with our library services, with the University Police Department, which is really important to ensure the safety of their children, as well as our Student Counseling Center. Dr. Mark Cogburn was really instrumental in allowing them the opportunity to ask questions related to the well-being and all the services that we have here on campus. It was very exciting for the family members to see how their children spend the day here as well as their evenings.
It's wonderful to get to see where he comes and studies every day and gets to relax, and seeing the new facilities. It's incredible. It really is. I went to med school, it didn't look anything like this here, and this is truly fantastic.
I do want to welcome each and every one of you. I will tell you that medical school is a 4-year journey, and it's not just the student that has to do a lot, it's families. So if you're a husband or wife or mother or father or whoever you are, quite honestly, they need your support because it is a very trying time in anybody's life.
Would like to extend gratitude to all the families and all the support systems that they provide to our students. We are very honored to have these students on our campus. We are looking forward to every year of their education and their graduation. And we hope to see the families soon on white coat ceremony for our current first years that will happen in the fall.